Hey guys, good morning from you know where, Southern Nevada. Hey, I'm pretty excited. Just picked up a brand new pistol. Check it out. The FN Reflex, chambered in 9mm. Local gun store had this on sale. Got it for a really good price. Pistol come with 4 magazines and a green dot optic. So pretty excited about that. And we'll go over this pistol here in just a moment, but I love the looks of it. I love the feel of it. I will mention though, I have never fired a pistol with a red dot optic, or in this case a green dot. So gonna be a little bit of a learning curve, I think, to get the hang of this. And I have fired this just to get that green dot sighted in. So right now we're gonna go back into my shop. We're going to take a close look at this, and then we're going to come back out here. My son and I, we're going to put some rounds through this and see how clumsy we look trying to line up this green dot. But like I said, it's going to be a learning curve, but I think eventually we're going to get pretty good with this. So I'll see you guys back here in about 7 or 8 minutes. Oh, hey guys, real quick before we look at this FN pistol, we're going to try and shoot 2 videos today because it is just so nice out here. So hopefully we can have 2 separate videos. The second video, check it out. Black powder revolvers. I got 2 of them here. So if things work out, like I said, we will be shooting a second video, and we will post these 2 videos a couple days apart. So keep your fingers crossed, guys, and we'll see what happens. So the pistol comes in a cardboard box, and let's see what we have here. We have the owner's manual, and of course all the required paperwork, warranty, and I think we're going to pull this out right now. This here is the green dot optic, and we'll take a look at this here in a few minutes. And we also have some accessories here, and we'll open this up here in a few minutes too. But let's get to the juicy stuff right here. So the pistol comes with 4 magazines. Comes with 3 15-round magazines and one right here in the pistol, and it comes with one 11-round magazine. So that's pretty cool. So let's pull this out and see what we have here. You know what? That's really a nice looking pistol. Just take a close look here. And you know what? I really like those sights. Look at that. Very easy to see those sights. So, and of course it is unloaded. Barrel length on this is 3.3 inches. The weight with an empty magazine is 18.4 ounces. The length on this is 6 inches, and the width is just a little over 1 inch. And it does have one accessory rail. I do want to add, this is hammer fired, it's not striker fired, so it has a very nice trigger pull on it. And FN says the trigger pull measures between 4.5 and 5.5 pounds. And this is rated for +P ammo. I really like the trigger on this. You know, it doesn't have that blade in the front, although it is still a safety trigger. But that trigger, it's flat, it's smooth, and it feels really good. And I really like the trigger pull on this. Again, this is hammer fired, so you get a really, really good trigger pull on it. So let's just take a look here. Got a nice break, and the reset's not too bad on it. 15-round magazine. Now, as you can see, I get a pretty good grip on the pistol, and it feels really, really good in my hand. But let's put in the 11-round magazine, and it does make it quite a bit more compact. And my pinky overhangs just a little bit, and I would probably carry this magazine in the summertime, and I would switch to the 15-round magazine in the winter when it would be easier to conceal. Alright, so this is a green dot made by Viridian, and you know, the housing, I'm pretty sure that's polymer. So, you know, I might upgrade this in the future, but we'll see how well it works on this pistol. And it does take one 2032 battery. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Alright. Take out most of this, maybe not all of it. A couple of wrenches right here. Some paperwork. Cleaning cloth for the Optic. And we have a battery. And there is a mounting kit for the green dot. And there is a base plate here. If you want to take this one off and put this one on to make it a little more compact, I don't know if it would be worth the hassle or not, but it is easy to replace if you want to put this one on. Takedown on this is very simple. Make sure it's unloaded, lock the slide back, flip this up 90 degrees, and release the slide. And of course you can take out recoil spring and the barrel. Alright, so again, this is hammer fired, and here's the hammer right here. I'm going to go ahead and pull this trigger, and look at that, huh? You don't want to pull this trigger and let this hammer drop, because trust me, you're going to break something in there. Alright, my holster. I only have one so far, and this one is made by CYA Supply Company. A Kydex holster, and it says Reflex right here. I really like these. I get these off of Amazon, and just really an excellent holster. I mean, the fit on these just perfect. Owner's Manual, page 11, says this pistol is rated for +P ammunition. Page 13 talks about dry firing the pistol. Says you can occasionally dry fire it, but don't do it all the time, or you could damage the firing pin. Ammunition I'm going to shoot today. Federal 115 grain full metal jacket. MagTech 115 grain full metal jacket. Sig Sauer V-Crown 115 grain jacketed hollow point. What I'm going to do is I'm going to field strip this. I'm going to clean it up real good, and then I'm going to use Tetra gun grease and also Lucas gun oil. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and install the green dot, and again, it does come with the battery, which will go right here on the bottom. And I'm going to take off this plate and mount this right here. Pretty basic. I'm not going to do it on camera, but it does come with everything I need. Has the wrench. And FN says not to use Loctite on these screws because they already have a thread lock on them. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Alright, you know what? That was easy enough. Looks pretty good, huh? Alright, let's get back out to the range, get this sighted in, and have a little fun. Alright, pretty cool little pistol, huh? So we're going to start off with the 11 round magazine. I have MagTech ammo in this. So Really just want to check reliability, and I want to get the hang of this green dot. So let's see what happens. Lost it there for a second. Yeah, that's going to take some getting used to. All right.
All right, let me give it a shot.
Wow.
Shoots good. Definitely take a little getting used to, but so far I like it.
Yeah, looks like you're getting the hang of that real quick there, son. All right, good job. Okay, this was shooting a little to the left and a little low, so I did adjust it. So I'm going to slow down a little bit and fire 6 rounds and see if I can get this sighted in a little better. Just a little bit more adjustment on it. You know what, son? Let's set up a steel plate.
All right, I'm gonna fire a few rounds at that steel plate. All right.
All right, so next we're going to shoot this Sig hollow point ammo. Just want to make sure it's going to feed and fire and all that good stuff. So there's 20 rounds in here. I think I will load up 15 rounds. Son, you got a pocket knife?
Yeah.
Where'd you get this?
Out of my pocket.
You got anything a little bit bigger?
Let me see. Yeah.
Ah, that's more like it. Where'd you get this pocket knife?
Texas. Duh.
Texas. I should have known. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, let's get this loaded up and shoot some hollow point ammo. All right, 15 rounds of Sig hollow point ammo. Let's see how fast I can spend $15. Woohoo! Perfect. Bam.
Nice. Getting the hang of it.
Okay, my turn. Yeah. We killed him, son.
We killed him.
Okay, guys, final thoughts on this pistol. I'll tell you what, I really, really like this pistol. I love the feel, I love the looks of it. It shot great today, not one single problem with it. And I am glad I bought it. Now, let's talk about the green dot. Now, this green dot, it's fully automatic. If I lay this down after a minute or two, it turns off. When I pick it up, it instantly comes on. There's absolutely no adjustment on the on the green dot. There's no buttons to push, no nothing. Everything's just automatic. Outside it's nice and bright. Inside it dims a little bit. So the problem is outside it's very bright, which isn't a bad thing, but I wish I could turn it down just a little bit. Inside the house, though, it's definitely way too bright, but you cannot adjust it. So on the green dot, I'd give it probably a 6 out of 10. My son really likes it. He said he'd give it an 8. Now, I've been shooting iron sights for over 50 years, so yeah, I'm a little slow getting the hang of this. He got the hang of it really quick, and he does like the sight. So there you have it, guys. Great pistol, absolutely love it. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you next time.